Here we are, take two. It's 12/22, Friday, March 30th, 2018. This is the, the landline. This was a cell phone. Okay, great. I'm out here with the truck. It's also that, and got that playing on the CD. Okay, and then I was over here at the, oh gosh, don't do it to me. I was over here at the, will it focus? Well, I got a picture. Okay, there we go. Briefly. So over there trying to get my taxi down. I got to come back. So I thought I'd come over here and shoot this little video with cars going by at the Tom Thumb Grocery Center across the way. Okay, so that's what the back of that is. All right, that's my everyday carry and my new everyday carry. All right, so here we got the Bombeat 15, and here's a Conion TC-999. All right, and of course this one here, if we hit, turn the power on.
Samson are up to 11. So how do they respond to that?
Put it on tape, and you hit play. Where's play on here? So we can just stop, kick that out, all right? I just leave that here, and then here's my, let's see, let's turn this on. Wait, I did have it on. Okay, so turn it on, put on tuner.
You shot to score $1 grand in minutes on 97.1 The Eagle, the rock of Dallas-Fort Worth.
So the radio works, so I put it in tape A. This is my truck radio, my truck tape. So it's a mixed tape, all right? And this does have a little bit of wire and flutter in it. So, I don't want to sell that song, but if you do want to play it in the upper deck, you simply put it into the upper deck, switch it over to deck B, close this, hit that, push that. And of course you want to play the other side, just hit the program. And we got Frankie Goes to Hollywood. Yeah! Alright. Okay, there we go. I didn't want to, hopefully they didn't sell that song, but I just wanted to show you that it does work like that. Now let me go back here and briefly play this one here, which I played in the other machine really quickly. So hit that. Oh, I have to switch it back, that's right. Yeah, hold in there somewhere. And of course we can take it and stick it back up here. Flip it back over, close that, push this. Okay, that sounds pretty good to me. I didn't even play with the, had the treble full up and the bass halfway and the balance, well, wherever. Okay, that sounds pretty good. All right, so you don't want to hear me talk.
Discover what? Yes.
Il gruppo Provita.
Whatever there. Okay. Anyway, I've had fun. I gotta go. I don't want to bore you to death with these radios. So good day, bye-bye. It's only been under 4 minutes. Okay. Bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed.